types of resilient indoor shrubs you can keep at home. Hello, dear friends. In this video, we're going to introduce you to different types of resilient indoor shrubs that you can keep at home. If you're looking for plants that are well suited to indoor conditions and don't require much maintenance, this video is just for you. Stay with us to discover shrubs that thrive easily in apartments. Types of indoor shrubs. Ginseng Ficus Microcarpa Bonsai Japanese Bonsai. Transform your apartment into a northern forest with bonsai shrubs. Bonsai is a low-light indoor shrub. These tree-like flowers are some of the most beautiful and resilient indoor shrubs, adding a captivating presence to any environment. The leaves of the bonsai are green, with a pointed and oval shape. To truly imagine the appearance of these tree-like flowers, think of an ancient and old tree in miniature form. This is the true essence of bonsai. Pachira Aquatica Money Tree. The Pachira plant symbolizes luck and wealth. If someone in your life has recently started a new business, you can gift them a Pachira shrub to help their business flourish. The leaves of this small tree are green and elongated, enhancing its beauty. The twisted and braided trunk of this indoor tree is a symbol of elegance. Yucca Elephantipes Yucca plant. The common name for this shrub is pipe tree. The strong and beautiful trunk of this indoor plant is one of its distinctive features, giving it unmatched beauty. The large, sword-shaped leaves are another defining characteristic of the yucca. It is an ideal shrub for balconies and can be kept both in apartments and gardens. Yucca is a resilient indoor shrub that can be easily used in various environments. It is particularly useful for decorating office spaces. Types of indoor ficus shrubs. If we were to make a list of the most beautiful indoor plants, the ficus would definitely make the cut. With its attractive shape and appearance, this plant can blend well with any decor style and create a captivating display. It belongs to the fig family and grows in the tropical regions of Asia. When grown outdoors, a ficus can reach a height of up to 30 meters, but it is also one of those plants that thrives well indoors and adapts to the conditions of such environments. Dracaena Studnerii Dragon Tree. The dragon tree is a guardian for your home with its sharp, narrow leaves. The tips of the leaves are red, giving the ornamental shrub striking beauty. This resilient indoor tree is also known as the flag Dracaena. The dragon tree is a low-light indoor plant, though it avoids direct sunlight. If exposed to direct sunlight, the plant can suffer damage. Musa spp. Banana tree. Kill two birds with one stone. Take care of a banana fruiting indoor tree while enhancing the beauty of your home, and enjoy the fruit of this beautiful shrub. Bananas are among the best indoor shrubs with broad leaves. If you need broad-leaved plants for decorating your home, the banana tree is a great option. However, it's important to note that not all banana tree species produce fruit. Ficus Binnendijkii Amstel or Amster tree. The Amstel shrub, also known as the Amster, is perfect for both indoor and outdoor environments. This indoor tree is one of the plants that doesn't produce flowers, but it has long, narrow leaves. Taking care of this resilient indoor tree is not difficult. Linda Apartment Shrub Ponytail Palm Tree. The natural Linda shrub is also known by other names such as horsetail and elephant's foot. The leaves of this beautiful shrub have a ribbon-like appearance, and if you haven't seen this plant up close, you can imagine a smaller version of the weeping willow tree. This gives you a true representation of the Linda shrub's appearance. 9. Variegated Schefflera umbrella tree. The Schefflera shrub is a beautiful and popular species, considered one of the best indoor shrubs. The leaves of this plant come in a variety of attractive and vibrant colors, with the variegated variety being one of the most popular. It is also known as the umbrella tree due to the shape of its leaves. Aucuba Japanese laurel. The common name for the Aucuba shrub is Japanese boxwood. This low-light indoor plant can thrive in environments with limited light. The plant comes in two varieties, variegated and simple. The variegated variety has yellow spots that make it resemble croton. Monstera Deliciosa Swiss cheese plant. The Monstera Deliciosa is a shade-loving indoor shrub that is sensitive to direct sunlight and prefers to live in an environment where sunlight reaches it indirectly. With its striking, unique leaves, it is a well-known plant around the world and can make any space more visually appealing when added to the decor. Madagascar palm pachypodium. Invite the forests of Madagascar into your home. The Madagascar palm is a popular indoor shrub worldwide due to its striking appearance, making it a favorite for many plant lovers. In addition to its beauty, this plant is very easy to care for, making it an excellent choice for people who don't have a lot of time to dedicate to plant care. Adenium desert rose. If you know someone you'd like to see surrounded by wealth and success, the best thing to do is gift them an adenium shrub. This plant is a symbol of prosperity and abundance. Bamboo. Bamboo brings good luck into your home. There are two varieties of bamboo that can be kept indoors, each with a beautiful and captivating appearance. Lucky bamboo, rattan bamboo. These indoor bamboo plants require humidity, and one of the factors that helps them thrive is misting. Neanthobella Chamedorea elegans. The Neanthobella, also known as the Chamedorea elegans, is the smallest variety among palms and is also listed as one of the air-purifying plants. It helps clean the air by removing pollutants and increasing humidity. 16. Kentia palm, How-Yu forresteriana. Purchasing luxurious indoor plants like the Kentia palm can make your home's atmosphere dreamy and minimalist. If you want your home to have a unique ambiance, the Kentia palm is a perfect choice. Carrying the Kentia palm isn't difficult. With a few basic guidelines, you can easily meet its needs. 17. Icene persistica. Norfolk Island pine, Araucaria heterophylla. Luxurious shrubs like the Norfolk Island pine are quite expensive, primarily due to their difficult propagation and slow growth. This makes it a decorative indoor tree that adds a chic, luxurious touch to any home. 18. Jade plant, Chrysilla ovata. The majority of the leaves on the Chrysilla ovata are jade-colored, which is why it's commonly called the jade plant. The leaves are thick and oval-shaped. The jade plant is one of the most resilient indoor shrubs and has a long lifespan, making it a perfect plant for any environment. 19. Pandanus. The pandanus plant is also known as the screw pine. It has a long lifespan, and with proper care, it can thrive and grow. Pandanus comes in different varieties, and if grown in nature, it can reach a height of 1.5 meters. The leaves of the pandanus are long and narrow, with cream or white colored edges, which enhance the beauty of the plant.
Areca palm, Areca lutescens.
The common name for the areca palm is butterfly palm. The areca palm has very large, fan-shaped leaves and is more resistant to cold compared to other palms. It can thrive in areas with moderate temperatures, whilst strands of accidental stripes around its leaves. Marumi kumquat, Siu. The Marumi kumquat is also known as porang. The kumquat tree is a fruit-bearing indoor shrub that attracts attention with its beautiful appearance. The Marumi kumquat produces small, orange fruit with green leaves and bears fruit twice a year. The taste of the fruit is slightly sour and can be eaten without any additional flavoring. Bay laurel. Bay laurel. The bay laurel is also known as the bay tree or bay laurel plant. Bay laurel is an evergreen flowering indoor shrub, with its blooming season occurring from mid-spring to early summer. The flowers of the bay laurel plant have a pleasant fragrance, and its presence in the home can fill the space with a delightful scent, creating a calming atmosphere. Additionally, the leaves of this plant are edible and are widely used in cooking. Guawar, birth-infested fruits. One of the fruit-supporting bugs, the beld-palenlaw, is a fruit-bearing indoor shrub with small, round, or elongated fruits that have a sweet taste. These fruits come in various colors, including green, red, purple, and yellow. Azalea. The Azalea, also known as Indian rhododendron, is a resilient flowering indoor shrub that adds a vibrant touch to your home. The blooming season for azaleas is in spring, but keep in mind that the flowering period is quite short. This species is also a popular ornamental shrub for outdoor gardens. Resilient indoor shrubs can help you keep your home green and beautiful without requiring special or extensive care. I hope this video has helped you discover plants that are both hardy and suitable for apartment living. If you have any questions or personal experiences with caring for shrubs, please feel free to share them in the comments below.